So today we're going to be dressing up like Grimes. As you can see, I have acquired 2 costumes that are very reminiscent of the Player of Games music video. I have also acquired this gorgeous wig. As you can see, it is fundamentally quite grimy. Let's get started on the makeup. You know, I've realized that I really hate most things, but I hate being a YouTuber the least of all, so I think that's what I'm going to orient myself towards going forward. Alrighty, so I printed out a photo of Grimes for reference, but like, it is a really shitty photo. Also, if you're wondering, I'm shaking from excessive caffeination. Let's start with a grimy foundation base. So I got this Peach Perfect foundation, which apparently they discontinued, so I guess I'm fucking lucky. Yeet. So I just put my hair in bobby pins to make it easier to do my foundation.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
I was actually hoping to go outside after I film this makeup tutorial and do like a grimy look in the snow, but it's basically, it's getting dark outside rapidly. We'll see how quickly I can film this video. Oh, look. Pumped for that's really quite odd. Take our beauty blender. By the way, this beauty blender has been sitting underneath my desk for the last 2 years, and I just took it out from under my desk and I didn't wash it, so see if we get any acne from this. I'm definitely gonna get acne, actually. I'm gonna do it quick so we don't think about the acne we're gonna get. This foundation smells like well, it smells like peaches, but it also smells like, it's supposed to be like fig milk, some weird like overall flavor, but it's kind of a good smell. Comment down below what your favorite smell is for like perfume. I'm trying to get some new like perfume options.
Inside our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us.
So the thing about being this pale, which all my pale brothers and sisters out there know, is that even if you get the lightest shade of foundation and put it on, it's a little bit dark. Alright, so now I'm gonna bake. So I got this prawn baking powder, this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, and I'm gonna put that all over my face so I can bake.
It's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
Alrighty, so I'm just gonna let that sit and absorb and marinate in all my juices. Alright, so now I'm gonna do eyebrows, and in this video, Grimes has like really like ashy gray eyebrows, so I'm gonna try to recreate that with eyeshadow.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Then I just use the spoolie off my normal brow pencil and I brush through those eyebrows.
That's crazy, but things are finally right.
Dang, I'm actually shocked at how well that worked. I'm gonna use the shade Pink Peony and I'm just gonna put that under my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna put it a little bit on my eyelids as well.
With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
So now I'm gonna take my conspiracy palette and I'm gonna take this shade Diet Cola and I'm gonna put it kind of like from the inner corner to like the 3/4 mark of my eye.
Oh, we don't need no more.
now I'm gonna take the shade Ranch and I'm gonna kind of go above and also below my eyeball.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Alrighty, so now I'm gonna take some gray eyeliner and I'm gonna go and line my lower lash line with it. Oh, it's really stabby.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Alright, so there's an interesting thing that I noticed in her makeup. So you can see our eyes look bigger now because I have like the white under my eyes and also eyeliner. But underneath the white, she put some red, which makes it look like, you know, it's like the illusion of a whole nother a whole nother eyeball almost, like a huge eyeball. Alright, so I'm going to take just like the tiniest bit of Flaming Hot from my Conspiracy palette and put it underneath the white. Let's see if we can finagle this.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
That has a really interesting effect. Wow.
Then I just took that same eyeliner and I put it on my upper lash line.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Alrighty, so now I'm going to take my NYX Black Liquid Vinyl Liner and I'm going to attempt to make the little triangles that she has. I just splattered that all over my legs.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. And see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Okay, that actually took like 20 minutes to do. And I gotta leave my eyeballs, well, I have hooded eyes, so if I shut my eyes, it's just gonna like smear together. So I gotta like just leave my eyebrows raised for like the next 15 minutes until this dries fully. Alrighty, I think our eyeliner is dry now. Let me show you. what we have up close. Sorry, someone in my house is showering, so forgive any shower power noises. Alrighty, so the next step is we're gonna try to create bold, pouty? That's not a word. Bold, pouty lips. So we're going to take our fundamentally thick, juicy lips and try to make them look thick and juicier, starting off by lining them with a lip liner.
We don't need no more.
I've never overlined my lips. Well, actually I have overlined my lips this much before, but they're looking hashtag thick.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I.
Okay, I think that lip lining is looking fundamentally hashtag thick and fundamentally hashtag juicy. So I'm gonna just like blot that, and then I'm going to like figure out how to fill in the wonderful outline we've created. Alright, so you've noticed if you've watched the Player of Games music video like literally 4 times like I have, that the makeup changes and shifts in shades throughout the video. So in some of the scenes, like the ones where she has like the lightsaber, it's more of a berry tone, and then it kind of shifts into a pinky tone and then a red tone. So we could do literally whatever we want with our lips, which is like quite freeing. So I think my soul, my Barbie doll soul is telling me to go with like a pinky red. Let's DIY our own lipstick. So I'm just gonna take the shade Flaming Hot here.
The future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
This kind of looks good. I'm kind of loving this. We're like similar people now. Okay, so I'm gonna make some fake freckles, and to make those fake freckles, I'm just gonna use my usual eyebrow pencil actually, which is NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Blonde. Just let me go. And we're looking what the scientists and scholars refer to as frecklicious. Alright, so I'm going to take some powder and just go over those freckles so they look more like natural and skin tone based.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Sorry for being so boring, but now I'm going to put on mascara.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done.
Let's highlight. I'm going to use this really weird highlighter that's blue. I'm going to put that like kind of under my eye area.
Oh, the good times just begun.
I don't know if that did anything. You know what? Let's go in with the broad spectrum highlighter. So I'm going to use this Pacifica highlighter. It's kind of juicy. It smells like slightly like coconuts.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
I think that was more Joanna Newsom than Grimes, to be honest with you. I look like Joanna Newsom. But anyway, let's get our hair ready to put on this luxuriously grimy wig. Alright, I'm just gonna like bobby pin it and whatnot. It's not very interesting. I'll speed up the footage. I don't have a wig cap. This might suck.
But things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can.
I need a miracle. Hold on sadly to you as integral to me. As arteries that pump the blood that flows straight to the heart of me. America, I need a miracle. They built me up 300 feet tall just to tear me down and leaving with nothing. Well, after in this town, I'll pray for your butt. You need a miracle. Alright, let's pray that this is enough bobby pins to hold my hair in place.
Weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and
Honestly, this is the most beautiful I've felt in my whole... Oh wait, my hairline's showing. Honestly, this is like the most beautiful I've felt in like, ever. Honestly, I might go blonde. Comment down below if I should go blonde or if I should stay gingerific. Anyway, oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna go get changed into my grimy outfits. See you in a second. I feel grimy, so grimy, grimy as can be. I feel grimy, so grimy, grimy as a girl can be. Alright, this is soft ethereal look number 1. So I just took this dress and this little belt and put it on, and it's very like ethereal and like whimsical and reminiscent of Grimes in my mind, at least. Alright, I may be slightly biased because I made this dress, but this is my favorite Grimes look. And also I got a sword, so watch me whip, whip, watch me nay-nay. Now watch me whip, whip, watch me nay-nay. That's definitely what Grimes did in the video. Yeah, fundamentally, I believe it to its case. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button so that the YouTube algorithm picks up my channel. You can live in the world just like a stranger. I could tell you the truth or a lie. I could tell you that people are good in the end. But why? Why would I? Angels will cry when it's raining. Tears that are no longer here. Why